Hey everyone, I just learned about a feature in HubSpot. It's not a new one, but I didn't know it existed, so I figure a lot of you don't know it existed. And I found it just in time because I hired a new intern. And she has cost me a little bit of trouble. Here, take a look at this. So here we are in my contacts, and if you take a look at the preview of any one of these contacts, you will notice, look at this job title. I like ponies? Did you change that to I like ponies? Look, that's all of them. All of them have job titles of I like ponies. Do you like ponies?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you did. It's been a bulk property update, and so I've got to figure out a way to roll this back. And there isn't like versions that I can roll back to, but this is where this feature I learned about comes into things. So if we go over to my settings over here, and if we go to properties, we can actually download the property history for the job titles property. So we'll just search for job title real quick. Title. Here it is. And if you go to the more drop down, we can export property history. So we'll export that as an XLS. XLSX. And we'll download it. And we'll open it. So if we slide over to that Excel file, we can see all of these were updated to I like ponies just today, but we can see the previous item here. So what we can do is we can get rid of this. We could filter this. This is the only change made today. You would want to make sure that you're filtering this list and getting rid of, being careful to only target the ones that are relevant. But if we delete these, we can now, and we'll get rid of all these too, delete. We can now import this list to revert everything back to the way it was. So if you imagine turning this into an import sheet, we've got email address here, we've got previous value here, and we can revert it to what it was before. No harm done. So I guess I'll keep you on as my intern. Anyway, that's how to revert bulk editing mishaps. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think.